Have you ever wondered why we wash rice before cooking? It's a question that has puzzled home cooks and chefs alike for generations. The act of washing rice, a seemingly simple task, is steeped in tradition and varies widely across different cultures. From the bustling kitchens of Tokyo sushi masters to the cozy homes of Italian grandmothers, the ritual of rinsing rice is almost as universal as the grain itself. Yet, there's a growing debate around this culinary practice, with some arguing it's an unnecessary step in our modern fast-paced world. Others staunchly defend it, saying it's crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. The question remains, is washing rice an ancient tradition clinging on in our modern kitchens, or is there more to this mystery than meets the eye? To understand why we wash rice, we need to take a trip back in time. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of one of our most beloved staples, rice. When we explore history, we see that washing rice was a necessity in the past. Going back in time, rice was not as clean as it is today. It was often mixed with impurities such as dust, stones, and even the odd insect or two. Washing rice was the simplest and most effective way to remove these unwanted additions. But it wasn't just about cleanliness. Some types of rice, particularly the starchy ones, needed to be washed to get rid of the excess starch. This was crucial for achieving that perfectly fluffy texture we all love in our rice dishes. Over time, the way we process rice has changed dramatically. Advancements in technology have made it possible to clean rice more thoroughly during processing, reducing the amount of impurities. The result? Cleaner, safer rice right out of the bag. Yet despite these changes, the tradition of washing rice has persisted. So the question remains, is washing rice really still necessary today? In today's world, with advanced processing techniques, the reasons for washing rice have evolved. Many home cooks continue this tradition not just out of habit but for tangible culinary benefits. Washing rice can improve its texture, making it fluffier and less sticky, a key factor in dishes like sushi or pilaf. Moreover, it can subtly enhance the taste, stripping away excess starch that may otherwise muddy the flavor of your final dish. But there's more to it than just taste and texture. Recent studies have shown that washing rice can significantly reduce its arsenic content, a toxic element found in varying levels across different rice types. However, there's a counter-argument. Some believe that modern processing and packaging methods have made washing rice redundant. They argue that nutrients are often fortified back into the rice post-processing, and washing could remove these added benefits. So to wash or not to wash? That is the question. After considering all these points, what's the final verdict? Well, like many aspects of cooking, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It's a matter of weighing up the pros and cons we've discussed and making a decision that best fits your cooking style and taste preferences. So, if you're using a type of rice that's known for high starch content, such as sushi or arborio rice, washing can help remove excess starch and prevent a gummy outcome. On the other hand, if you're using long-grain rice for a fluffy pilaf, rinsing might not be necessary. Also, let's not forget about the nutrition aspect. Washing rice can lead to a loss of vitamins and minerals, so if you're concerned about that, you might decide to skip this step. In conclusion, the choice to wash rice or not is ultimately up to you. It depends on the type of rice, the dish you're preparing, and your personal preference. Remember, whether you choose to wash your rice or not, the most important thing is to enjoy your meal. Before we wrap up this culinary deep dive, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of rice. We've uncovered the mystery, delved into the history, and explored the modern-day relevance of washing rice. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision that suits your cooking style and taste preferences. Remember, in the kitchen, you are the master, and the choice is ultimately yours. Whether you wash your rice or not, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and love the meal you prepare. If you found this video helpful and want more insights into the culinary world, don't forget to subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen and press the like button. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying your food. Bon appetit!